Hello and welcome to the Dreams Resort and Spa in Corfu, and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends. This hotel is part of the Hyatt Group. This resort has 4 bars, 6 restaurants with 5 of them being a la carte and 7 bars, and we'll show you a room in this video too, so stay tuned, and a beautiful swimming pool and great gardens. So in we go to the reception area, which again is quite spacious, and places to sit and have a cocktail or two, or maybe come here for a bit of lunch. And certain rooms that can be booked here have a preferred guest status, which includes some extra benefits and a dedicated lounge. This is a beautiful 5-star resort and beautiful gardens and a little bit of wildlife. Hello, how are you? And they do have things for the kids here. For the younger kids there's the Explorer Club, and then there's a teen club for kids that are a little bit older. And for mums and dads there is plenty to do, including this exclusive space, which is reserved for people with a certain room type. A room here will cost you around £250 in the off-peak season and around £400 in the peak season for a standard all-inclusive room, and that's room rate is per night for 2 adults sharing. And a look now at the different room types available here. We will look around the room soon. 323 different rooms, suites, villas here at the Dreams Hotel, and direct access to the beach. This is an all-inclusive hotel as well, so all the food included, and they're going for high quality, luxurious facilities and food. A few years ago it had £30 million spent on this to make it nicer. And here's the gym and a quick look into the spa. If you're here with kids, they do have an Explorers Club, and the treatment rooms here for all those spa treatments. And out we go. Love those multicoloured flowers, and beautiful pool here. There's 4 pools here, including a spectacular one which we'll show you towards the end of the video. And the sun lounges there, all set up on the grassy side, and a sign pointing to all the different facilities. 6 restaurants, 1 buffet style and 5 a la carte restaurants. And look at this pool, isn't that something else? Absolutely stunning. Blue water, waterfalls, and water cascading down the walls. And there's no need to leave the sun lounger. You can press a button and somebody comes and brings you a cocktail. Let's have a look into one of the rooms. A large double bed and a pull-out bed as well here. TV, all the facilities, nice bathroom and a couple of settees there in actual fact. And outside it's got a area there, sort of patio area, and it's straight into the pool. So it's a private pool ish, which is shared with everyone else in this block. But you're straight out the room into a pool, so be careful if you do sleepwalk. And we had a bit of lunch here, so let's have a look. Some pizza and pasta and burger and cocktails. Yum yum. And that's about it. Just a little taster from the Dreams Resort and Spa. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.